Anubandham class, I think I enjoy this class a lot because it is very close to my heart, this prayer and whatever we do here. So the class, we are bringing the class to an end, but before that, I would like you all to one by one speak. You can switch on your video and audio, speak about your experience with this class or with Alpha, whatever you would like to say. Good evening. Yes, please. Chitra.
Maybe first 4 words chant pandu say lot of energy was cleansed. I think so.
Okay.
Bad negative emotions away like anything. So actually after that I felt everything blissful one.
Okay, very good, excellent. It's a wonderful thing. That is the purpose of that prayer. You should chant it again and again every day on an ongoing basis. Every day you can chant. You'll feel very good. Very nice. Thank you so much.
Last Anubandha meditation, it was very blissful.
Okay.
I didn't feel any bad emotion or that. I didn't. Nothing came into my mind.
Okay. Doesn't matter. Okay. Fine.
Thank you.
Very good. Thank you so much. Right.
Madam, I like the cosmic prayer very much.
Who's speaking?
Muthuraman.
Okay. Yes.
I have attended almost all your classes except the latest ones.
I remember. Yes.
And I like the cosmic prayer very much.
Okay, wonderful. Yeah, that is the best. You can chant it every day. It gives a lot of relief, actually.
No meditation has made me cry, but this one did make me cry.
Okay. So it is working inside and creating a transformation. That's what it means. Whatever healing is required, it gives. Please continue with it.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thanks.
Namaste, Guruji.
Namaste. Yes. How are you?
I am good, thank you, and really feeling thankful to the universe for bringing this meditation through you. Actually, most of the areas in my life are very happy, except one great challenge I'm facing. And at times when I used to have emotional imbalance, I always used to think, because always I have read and I have known that universe always wants to bring good to you at the right time. So all the challenges or experiences you are having is for your own good. So I used to wonder why this challenge actually, what good it is going to bring. But after attending today's session, I understood a lot of cleansing and healing regarding this emotion or relationships had to happen, which will bring in more happiness and blessings to all of our life. And that is why it didn't happen till now. So I'm really feeling blessed and really feeling thankful to universe as well as to you, Guruji. Thank you so much.
Okay, very nice. Thank you so much for the good words. Nice to hear all this. I know that is what I also expect from this class. It helps people to understand whatever is happening within themselves and to get rid of unwanted memories and things like that.
Namaste, Guruji.
Namaste. Namaste.
Yes. Very nice to see you again.
Yeah.
And nice. I love your background.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Thank you so much.
My favorite, as everybody said, was a cosmic prayer. That just did it for me.
Yes.
There are sometimes, generally my childhood, my life has been wonderful. I've had wonderful people and wonderful. But there is, one or two things in my life which happen such dramatic things that they cause so much pain, and they repeated again and again and again because of my, whether it's my upbringing, my goodness, my spirituality. I kept on, doing good to people who were negative, whatever. But, the continuous undermining of it, what happens is there are some incidents suddenly happen, and then a flood of memories come, and, I become a person that I'm not the same compassionate, creative person at that time.
Okay.
And that used to disturb me, that why am I becoming like this at this point? And you know what, at some point it started affecting my children, because they saw me in a certain way, and that moment, which was different from what the amma they know.
Okay.
And I said, why can't I have an amnesia? I told Appa, why can't I have an amnesia and forget all that? So he told me, you go so beautifully into Alpha has helped you so much. why don't you do this meditation? And you won't believe it, he told me this 3 days back, and this post came
Oh,
to me,
okay.
you know.
Okay.
And what I realized, the best part of the universe meditation was, I felt when I connected with the universe that the sun was shining, the air had oxygen in it, the earth was rotating, everything was happening. I was walking, I could breathe. They're such wonderful gifts. They're such
Yeah.
wonderful things.
Yes.
And however big an event is in my life, it has nothing compared to what level of blessing every day. Imagine all this stopped. No, but it happens every day. It's so
Correct.
beautiful.
True.
And when you look at yourself in a small world of yours, you feel something is big. But when you look at it from the perspective of the universe, it's so, everything melts away.
Yeah.
And so I always knew about gratitude, and I felt it at times, but this experience of this cosmic, I'm sorry, forgive me, I thank you, and I love you,
Yeah.
suddenly made it more lasting, I'm sure
Correct.
this will be more lasting.
Yes.
And so it just, it just completely gave a different perspective. And from the core, that helped totally change my way. So I think for me, this universe one was a wonderful experience for me.
Good.
And
Very
I think it'll really take it forward. So
Help
thank
you,
you very
yes.
much, Guruji.
I'm really happy, and my
I
blessings.
wish this was there. Such a simple thing. I don't know how we didn't,
Correct.
why
That's
was
how
I
it is.
asking everything else, and why didn't I connect to the universe directly for this?
Correct.
So wonderful.
That is
Thank
very
you so
nice.
much.
Please keep
Thank you.
chanting it, and I'm sure you'll see a lot of changes. Good.
Thank you. Yes.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi, how are you?
I'm pretty good. Thank you so much. Ma'am, I have to tell you that after the Karma Dosha class, my life became magic. I don't know. I feel like I'm living in under the tree that like everything, whatever I dream, comes in 24 hours.
Very good. Excellent. Excellent. Okay.
Only one was challenging. I figured it out. What was the issue today in the cosmic? I want you to bless me for my new career.
Oh, yes. My blessings. Always blessings.
Thank you, ma'am.
All the best. All the best.
Thank you. Thank you so much, ma'am. Like I'm like everything is like 24 hours. I'm able to manifest.
Good. Excellent. Wonderful. Wonderful. Good to hear. I'm feeling very happy listening to
I
you.
honestly like doesn't have a clue what is the logic, but I'm recommending everybody that I see in Canada take this Karma Dosha.
Okay.
This Karma Dosha is like it's a miracle I ever seen. Like I never knew this was exist in the world.
Okay. Wonderful. Great. Good. Good. Enjoy and practice this prayer also. It will help a lot. Because karma is again the data that we collect. If you look at it that way, so this will help.
I realized that today because somebody in my workplace, they want me to stay, so they give me good salary and everything. So I limited in the box, ma'am. I said that's my limit. Today I said no, there is more limit for me, more things to do. So I'm going to open my box. So I
Very good.
come out of it.
Good, good, excellent, wonderful. So enjoy life, my blessings. All the best.
Thank you. Love you.
Thank you so much.
Guruji, this is Jaya Priyadashi.
Yes, Jaya, how are you?
Good, Guruji. How are you, Guruji?
Fine, fine, fine.
Good. Guruji, since I've attended the Anubandham class a couple of times, I would like to share the transformation that has happened within me.
Okay.
That I noticed now when I attended for the third or the fourth time, I cannot remember. Because when you launched it in October 2018, first day, first show, I attended this class and then did all these meditations. And whenever required, I did the inner child and the Anubandham meditation. But if I look back now, I can actually feel the exact write-up that you gave for the Anubandham class in WhatsApp. I feel like whatever people are around, I feel unaffected. My mind is stable, at least most of the times, including my family members who are speaking in an irritated way or something that happens in office. I feel the stability within my mind and the gratitude also within my mind, where I see a lot of good people around me, where they are always aiding me in all the ways. So today when I did the inner child, I was able to see my mom's love very evidently there. So I feel that it's now closing kind of a thing based on what has happened just 2 months back. So I would like to say that Anubandham has completely transformed the way, and it like anybody who tries to speak in a hurting way, it doesn't affect me. That is what I can realize.
Okay, good, good, very good. So you rise above all that, you know, that is the best part of it. Next Sanjeevani class, missed it last time. Next Karma Dosha, somebody asked. See, one by one we are doing the classes, so keep looking at the schedule in the group. Slowly it will come. Last time Karma Dosha was in Tamil, so next it will be in English. So it will come slowly. Next week we are thinking of doing Sri Vidya. After a lot of hesitation, I have decided finally that we will do it online, because Sri Vidya I was not at all willing to do online. I thought only directly, but I don't know when that will happen. So we've decided to do it next week. So I thought I'll tell you all that also. Sri Vidya will be in Tamil. First class will be in Tamil because a lot of people waiting for it in Tamil only. But later on we will do it in English. Maybe after a month or so we will definitely do it in English also. So
Guruji, what is Sri Vidya exactly? What is it about?
Sri Vidya is a way of worshipping Devi with the Sri Yantram or Mahameru. So it's a separate, what shall I say, we call it it's a Vidya, we call it a Siddhi. So you learn those particular mantras, and hitherto it was kept as a very secretive, practice. They never used to teach it very easily, but now many things are coming out, so I have made it very simple. So easily you can learn the mantras. I give initiation of the mantras, and I've created a meditation for it. So we do it more in the meditation method than the conventional method, which is very, very difficult to follow. So in a very simple way, we can worship and get the blessings from Devi. That is the purpose of our class. Please do the Sri Vidya class in English. Have been waiting for years to get initiated. Definitely, Monas, we will do it in English. Please wait maybe for another month or 2 months, and by the time it will come in English, definitely. Okay?
Namaskaram.
Namaskaram. Yes, how are you?
Team fine, Guruji. How are you?
Fine, fine, excellent. Yes.
Is it raining in Chennai? It's heavily raining here.
I don't think it's raining today, but it has been raining on and off a little bit. Not very heavily, but on and off.
Okay.
So how was today's class?
Yeah, today's class was very nostalgic.
Oh, okay, right.
Childhood, good memories and some bad memories also. And it was really wonderful. All those 4 simple sentences making so much change in one's life.
Yes. Very effective. You should try. Very effective.
And yesterday, Guruji, I had another manifestation from Alpha. I took my husband for hemodialysis, and actually he's going for HD for after 1.5 years.
Okay.
It was a medical emergency actually, and the Tesla was working very fine, but we couldn't get a vein because there'll be input output on the same hand. So I was just showering colors on him, and it so happened within half an hour he got a vein, and the whole dialysis went on fine.
Oh, okay. Good. Okay.
Because sometimes I had my own doubts. Because yesterday I was really worried, and I didn't have the mind even to do it. Then he was in, the dialysis unit, and I was sitting outside. I was charging my, and I was doing this, and I was really surprised, and I was thanking the universe and the siddhas and the gurus for teaching me. And the best part during this COVID is I was introduced to this again. That was a blessing in disguise, I should say.
True, very true. That is right.
Full of remedies which we have in hand. Yes. Anytime we want it, we take one and we make use of it.
Yes.
Instead of worrying ourselves excessively.
Correct. There's so many techniques, so many meditations are there. You can definitely find solutions for anything. That is the purpose of all these classes. And somebody had asked in the chat about Sri Vidya. See, it is not for children. It is not about education only. It's not that. It's a very high level of worship of the Devi, Mahatripura Sundari. So it is for adults. It is not for children. So I just thought I'll clear that doubt. So whenever it comes next week, we are planning in Tamil. So if you have not done Sri Vidya, please do it. It's a wonderful way of worshipping Devi. That is the truth.
And Guruji, like if we need a chakra, I mean Sri chakra, should we order it beforehand or shall we do it after the class?
You can order it beforehand, but you can even do it after the class, because you will also see the Mahameru. I will explain about it. Then maybe you will want to keep a Mahameru as well as a Sri Yantra. So you can decide after the class. That will be better. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
Hi, Guruji.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Hi, Guruji.
Hello. Yes.
Really had a very good experience or an amazing experience in today's session, Guruji.
Okay. Good.
And I would like to take this opportunity to kind of thank you and the universe for kind of connecting with you, Guruji. This
you
is
so
with
much.
respect to each one of your meditation. Each meditation is carefully chosen in such a way that we can easily assimilate it. There are so many meditations out there, so confusing with lot of, combinations. But the meditation which you are teaching us, the Alpha, is so good, Guruji. I would like to take this opportunity to thank you.
Thank you so much for saying that.
And one more I would want to share, Guruji, with respect to the meditations you have shared in the YouTube. All those which are just for 16 minutes, it's really too good. The chakra meditation, cleansing, the mind cleaning meditation.
Yes.
So when it comes to, removing the negativity, when we try practicing all your meditations, over the time, we kind of get the transformation within ourselves, Guruji.
True.
So today, even when you asked us to kind of imagine the whole meditation, it doesn't seem to be like, when we were before, like having something about anybody. No, it is more about, kind of how we kind of adjust. People are there, how we kind of, take it. So I would like to really thank you and Alpha, Guruji, and I really thank universe that I was able to connect with you and, having I mean, I know there are a lot of things happening, but I'm able to manage very well. So
Good.
Thank you so much, Guruji.
Very good. Very good. Thank you very much for all the good words. Very nice. Do practice this prayer also from today's class and let me know, write an email or write in the group something so that I will also know how you felt and what is the progress, whatever happens.
Vanakkam Guruji.
Vanakkam, vanakkam. Yes, yes. Every king.
Nalla irukom Guruji. So very happy to attend this workshop today. Because I couldn't wait for a Tamil workshop, so I.
Anubandham, you have not done, is it, earlier?
No. I'm so excited to attend this workshop. Personally, it's my most favorite. So I want to somehow get benefited from this. So I quickly booked for this.
Okay, good.
Thoroughly enjoyed, and I could feel. You said about. Think of all the blogs you have and all that emotions you have towards people and all that. I could relate to it, and I could able to experience everything.
Very good.
Sure, I'll definitely practice this meditation regularly.
Good.
And so excited to attend this meditation. So
Good. I'm so happy you could attend. At a very young age, I think you've finished all our classes.
Yes, I'm so including spiritual counseling, Guruji.
Yeah, spiritual counseling. We'll think about it. But the other
has finished, Guruji. Spiritual counseling also she has finished.
She has finished, even that. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Great. Good.
Finally, before concluding my words, I would like to thank you, and I would like to say I love you and I thank you.
Oh, thank you so much. I love you too. Definitely in this class, it's very important to say that. It's all about relationships. So very nice to hear that from you. Thank you so much. Bless you.
Thank you so much.
Guruji, I too wanted to say my personal feedback. I'm thinking of the days that I attended my level 1. I'm
okay.
And when you said about you went back to 30 years and thinking of your own childhood days, it's so nice that you shared those things with us. And first level 1, when I was attending, the main thing was I wanted to sleep. I didn't have a proper sleep at all. I had a big black rings and all that around my eyes. Even now I have because of some extra work and all that. but I'm so bubbly and I'm so positive just because of Alpha. Over this period of time, the Alpha has totally transformed into me into a different personality. And my prime goal during level 1 was just to sleep. But today I have achieved so many things. I manifested just like that. I could manifest so many things just like that. I don't know how for this. I think I started learning Alpha from my daughter was 2.5 years or something like that.
Okay. Yes, yes.
19 years, she's in the college first year now.
Okay.
And so many things automatically comes in, Guruji. When we practice Alpha, when we practice meditation, so many things, somewhere it comes.
Yes.
And I'm so excited. I'm so a positive person just because of Alpha. Thank you so much, Guruji.
Wonderful. Bless you. Very nice to hear all this. Actually, it's a great blessing for me to hear all this feedback.
I become so emotional every time, and we thank you wholeheartedly with all our heart. And God bless you with all the abundance and all the.
Thank you so much. Thanks very, very much.
We love you. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Right. Wonderful. Great.
I was waiting for this Anubandham class. I have missed it in Mumbai, so I was waiting for this all this time. Thank you very much.
Very good, very good. Excellent. Thank you so much.
Practicing all the other meditation also.
Okay, very good, very good. Please add this in your list of for kids. Okay, we'll think about it because kids nowadays, I think already they have too many online classes going on. So if we say meditation also online, I don't know how far they'll sit and learn. But anyway, I'll keep it in mind definitely. And whenever we can, we'll do it. So thank you everyone today for being.
I want to tell you that I love you so much.
Yeah, of course. I love all of you. And this online class is definitely, it is giving an opportunity to see many of you. So some people I don't see, the video is not on, but at least few of you I'm able to see. That was one thing I was missing when we stopped doing classes because of COVID. I thought, how will I see all the Alpha Siddhas? So at least online classes are giving that opportunity. So my gratitude to the universe. So always we find some way of connecting. We find some way out of the situation or problem. So that way, I think this COVID will also pass very soon and we will be back to normal. But online courses, I think, will continue. Now this has become more convenient for everybody. That's what I'm seeing. We are also getting used to new things. So that way, it's a good change for all of us. So thank you very much for being here today. It was a wonderful class and we will keep meeting again. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Guruji. Wonderful.
Yeah,
Thank you. Thank you so much.